This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Kum ka jing yo I ya ka jing don kam ba ka Jylla Meghalaya ka deban don no ya ki jing puli physical education haki Skul hadu haki college kala penlong ya ka Meghalaya Physical Education and Sports Association MPESA bakan penlong da ka jing ther halor ka phang pedeng ka jing don kam ya ka physical education nadu ki Skul hadu ban tebet haki jing ya kai Hakani ka sngi haswa bakani ka jing ther kan sedang hapo ka jing penya uba pensngan and Kyrwoh assistant professor ka Shillong College kum moderator bat kabala syam benta da Kyrwoh sampanggi bakentup yau director ka school education and literacy ba bante lang kharsandi u director ka sports department nihu professor lakhon kma working president ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association MSOE ba John Kharshieng paruba arki nongrom u founder ka ISMG sports management and consultancy dan ke program lengkap hakabau Myntri ketanat pulih urakam sangma ulalong kongsan u Dr. S. Kongwir principal ke Shillong College kumu sembut kongsan bat kiwe-kiwe. Haba ajeng Kren hakite ke sngi kumu kongsan u Myntri ketanat pulih puthi ula kubur ya ke jing Kren u advisor ke MPSA u ba kermen lang yuria u bala pensngau halor ke jing don kam badai bandon ya ke subject physical education haki Skul hadu ki college kenang bagi kena samla pulih kin yo bun ki jing mentoy lengba ka ni ke jing pulih kata tang haka sports henry hadu ka kot ka khia haka jing Kren ka jong u kumu Myntri ula ong kadai ka basisha haka jing bam don ka ni ka subject ki samla ki du bun ki jing mentoy ya ka baula pensngau haka ni ke jing lang bakumu Myntri Sorkar un sa syemkia baka subject physical education kan Rung no haki Skul Sorkar pat ki Skul ki bayo jing rap na ka Sorkar Jylla ka ba anthong ya ki nohikai sa ki brio ki bala pendap ya ka jing pulia physical education.
The problem here is most of the schools, yes, they have assigned responsibility to certain teacher as a physical education teacher. They are just teacher, but they don't take it importance. They don't take it importance, and this is the problem here as a state and as a country today. So somewhere we have to start. Therefore, if you look at our curriculum, be it at national level, be it our state level, I have to admit today as a minister, maybe in the past, maybe even today, our school curriculum, our school community, we have not taken off this subject, this as a curriculum, as an important subject for our students. Today, I'm sure, having such kind of panels, which will be good for each one of us. We will listen to them. We can listen as an expert, as a guidance for the state. And as an education minister of today, I want to assure the house today, I want to assure the audience today that we should start somewhere. Yes, I was talking to my officials today. We have, as a government department, we have created the physical education teachers post even in the government schools. And we have also discussed with this SAM association, maybe 1 month, 2 months back on this. I want to assure today the association and all in the house that we have already decided, we are moving forward, that we will be creating some posts of the physical education teacher in our government schools at least. And also, we will be instructing all the granite schools, all the schools, institutions across the state to take this subject, this component as a very important in the curriculum.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kishab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya